Are you having trouble engaging kids with learning at home? Do you know what STEM education is? Do you worry about your children's future and how to give them a competitive edge over others? Are your children spending all their time online playing and not learning? At Playzenik, we make learning easy and fun through an interactive learning platform. We make education fun and engaging. Playzenik will give an opportunity for your kid to learn virtually and also hands-on skills at home and participate in STEM activities that engage them positively. Through science, technology, engineering, and math, children can learn concepts that carry a real-world application, generating curiosity and creativity in their young mind. Your children will gain skills on robotics, coding, electronics, and STEM. We have monthly themes that will enrich them with STEM knowledge and enhance their skills incrementally. We send a theme-based STEM kit every month to your home. Your children can build a project from the STEM kit using the instruction from the Build feature. They will also learn how to code to complete some of their projects. They have a chance to test their knowledge and enter into a leaderboard where all the users are ranked. Once they complete their project, it can be uploaded onto the contest page to get likes from other users and get rewards from us. They can chat with other users and ask questions about STEM and discuss their projects. What are you waiting for? Go to www.playzenik.com today, choose your plan, subscribe, and enjoy.